Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are create 3 rectangles in a row. Align them evenly using the align panel. Round all corners for a smooth UI style look. Add soft gradient fill to each rectangle. Duplicate all 3 and place them below. Change the second row color shade. Convert both rows into smart object and also apply a subtle wrap transformation to curve the groups. Add inner shadows to enhance the UI depth. Add glowing lines between rows. Apply Gaussian blur to the light lines. Add a faded background highlight. Reduce overall opacity slightly. Adjust color levels for balance. This procedure a modern UI panel using layered rectangle.